Hello, my bunny friends, my little fluffle. How's everybody doing? It's been a while since I have been here on the channel, but anyways, I want you to see how our Seeds of Love block of the month finished out. So come on down, take a little peek. So we started out in January with our first block right here. And look, we have done all of them: February, March, April, May, June, July, August, and here we are in September, the last block on our adventure. And what I wanted to show you was that I went ahead and finished mine off with these little setting squares. These are like 1 inch by 1 inch, this little heart setting square, and into this sashing that I added along with it. So I have kits for those if you want them. Comes pre-printed on the linen like that, and you get the Valdani size 12 pearl cotton instructions and a needle, and it's so fun. I mean, everything's printed right there for you on the linen, so you don't have to think about it. You can just get ready to stitch and have fun with it. So this ends up being a 19 by 19 inch quilt with the sashing and setting squares, or if you just did the blocks, it would be 15 by 15. I'm also going to have some other ideas for you, so I hope you enjoyed this adventure. There's some videos on my channel up front that show you the stitches that I used, and it was the same stitches throughout the entire thing. And stay tuned here. I've got some new stuff coming probably in October and some new ideas on what you can do with my kits and my blocks. Okay, take care and hop on over to theraspberryrabbits.com. Thanks so much. Bye.